Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on your iPhone. Now, whether you wanted to turn off those read receipts for one specific person, or if you wanted to disable them across your entire iPhone so no one will see when you have read their messages, I'll show you both options. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Let's disable this for everybody. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Apps at the bottom. Scroll down until you get to Messages on this list. Tap on Messages. Scroll down again until you get to Send Read Receipts. If this is turned on, it says when this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all conversations. Let's turn this off. However, let's also go through the process if you want to disable read receipts or turn them off for one specific person. To do that, hop out of here and open up the Messages app on your iPhone. Tap on a person or a conversation. This can also be a group text. Tap on their name at the top. Scroll down and you'll see Send Read Receipts. All you need to do is toggle this off for that one person, and now you can have it on for everybody and disabled for one person if you want to do that. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.